So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Today's discussion is all about the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of depression is the angle between a horizontal ray and the sight from the observer eye to an object at a lower level. So, for example, blue. If this will be the observer eye, then this will be the angle of elevation or angle of theta. A flagpole is known to be 20 meters high. From the distance, while its top have an angle of depression of 75 degrees. So we have to find the distance from the tower to the observer eye of the angle of depression. So let's 20 meters high, then distance is unknown, then the angle of elevation is 75 degrees. So far that the 75 degrees opposite is the distance, so we have to use the SOHCAHTOA of the value of the cos, which is cos 75 degrees is equal to the adjacent, which is unknown, then 20. So cross multiply, which is 20 times cos 75 is equals to 5 meters. So the distance from the flagpole of tower to the angle of depression is 5 meters. Angle of elevation is the angle between a horizontal ray and the line of sight from the observer eye to the object at a higher level. So if angle of depression, this will be the angle theta, while in the angle of elevation, this will be the angle of elevation or angle of theta, then this will be the observer eye, and the line of sight is this one, line of sight. So, for example, an angle of elevation, a tree 80 feet tall casts a shadow at 100 feet long. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Given the value of the side and adjacent of an angle, which is we have to find the angle of theta. This will be the 80 feet tall, then 100 feet long. This will be the observer eye. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Given the value of the opposite, then adjacent, we have to use the TOA or tan, which is TOA is equals to opposite over adjacent. So tan theta is equals to opposite is 80, then 100. This will be inverse of theta or tan, then 80 over 100. Using the scientific calculator, shift tan theta or inverse of tan times the value of 80 over 100 is equals to, so theta is equals to 39 degrees. So the angle of elevation of the sun is 39